All right, so week 3 of trying to build a bad company. In this video, I'm going to explain how I've been testing my concept designs. So bringing a product to market is expensive. So before I decide to dump thousands of dollars into manufacturing, I've been putting my bags through a series of tests. And man, you are always surprised. So I've come up with over 100 different designs, and I needed to figure out which of these designs are things that people actually want. Normally, someone might just go with their gut, like, oh, I think this is cool. But that sort of makes me nervous. Instead of my gut, I ran a simple experiment using Facebook lead ads. I'm going to break that down into 3 steps here. So first, I guess step 1, what is a Facebook lead? I'd say it's like the quickest way to run a Facebook ad. When you click on this ad, you're actually asked to submit information. You don't go anywhere. So that might be like a first name, email address, and that's it. Well, why does this matter? Well, essentially what I'm betting on is that if someone is willing to give me their email and their first name to be notified about the drop of one of these concepts, that's indicative that maybe down the line they would want to buy that product. Or maybe if I'm running Facebook ads again, that might be correlated to the cost it would take for me to acquire a customer. So that's sort of why I'm using Facebook lead ads to gauge interest. All right, so that's a lead ad. Sort of part 2, how did I set up this test? So like I said, I uploaded 100 different designs to Facebook or Meta. Each of them had to have the exact same headline, the exact same description or title, text. The only thing that was different between all of them was the images. That was the independent variable from science class. Then I sort of told Meta, or I told Facebook, you can only spend $4 per design, which it kind of seems a little bit low when I say it out loud, but what I started to realize is that I was getting cost per leads. As in, a product was good if I was getting cost per leads at around 50 cents, 60 cents. Bad products were giving me multiples more expensive cost per lead, or that cost per email address, around $1, $2, $3. And I kept doing this every single day for the last week. I've been creating new designs and uploading those designs into Facebook ads and repeating and repeating and repeating. And so I'm pretty much done with those tests, but I didn't actually just pick the cheapest leads. I sort of tried to balance that cost of getting someone to give me their email address with the feasibility of the product. So for example, this is one of my best performing designs, but just look at this thing. Like, I would have had no idea how someone would have been able to, via physics, manufacture and make this possible. But yeah, so really anything that was under that 50-cent mark though was indicative that, okay, maybe there's actually demand for this thing, or maybe there will be demand for this thing. And I had about 4 to 5 designs under that threshold. And it was funny too, I thought I was getting better. I probably tried 150 designs, and like my first 10 to 15, 3 of the 4 were in that first 15, and then the rest of them just nothing really caught up. Hey, maybe this will work, maybe it won't work. That's sort of what these videos are about, but fingers crossed here.